So here's what I'm using for my mask today. We're starting off with our sea moss, some yogurt, a fresh lime. I cut it already in half. This is some breast milk that I'm going to be putting in it. Some oils. I got coconut, tea tree oil. I have carrot oil, honey, a banana, and an egg. Okay, so I have a mask on because I'm feeling kind of weird. I already got tested. I'm okay, guys. I'm going to start off with an egg. I'll go ahead and put this banana in there. I didn't have avocado, and last time I did the avocado mask, it did really good for me. I should have had one. I wish I had one. I don't feel like going to no supermarket right now with what's going on outside. So we're just gonna have to deal with. Dang, I just had this this honey all the way down. Gotta wait for that. Now I'm gonna put this lemon. This is good for build up in your hair. I'm gonna put also a little bit of water to dilute it because there's some strong stuff. Okay, I'm gonna eye this. Just put the rest of the honey in there. Another honey. I'm gonna use, if I find it, oh here it is. I'm gonna put a little cup of water. About this much water. Just because it looks like it's gonna be very strong. And it's already gonna be thick with the egg and the sea moss and all these oils I got over here. So I was trying to make a hot mask. Okay, I can't open this. I can't. So I'm at the end of my sea moss. I might as well drop this whole baby in there, but I'm gonna measure it out and save me some sea moss for later. 3 spoons, and that leaves me with 2 to drink later. And we're gonna shake this. Get that baking soda. I only have a little bit, so that's what I'm using, a little bit. And y'all, I'm not feeling really good, so y'all gonna excuse how I look. It's my off day. I'm just enjoying it and trying to get rid of these little sniffles I got. Qué jodienda. Se me explotó esa mierda. Se me explotó esa mierda. La cosa, mami, la máquina.
Oh my God, pero ¿qué es esto? Le metiste mucha cosa.
Parece.
Ay, Areli.
Ya, yo lo limpio.
Ay, no, se te está botando aquí.
Yo lo limpio. No, va a pasar de otro fucking mundo. Ahora los productos se pueden
No, pero el
mandar
problema es que tienes que tener cuidado, porque todo no es como
Yeah, I'm not
todo.
feeling good when I do dumb stuff like that. I just had to clean the whole kitchen. Anyways, don't let that stop you. Keep going. Try again. Half of the products that I was gonna use are gone, so I can't use them anymore. Okay, mommy. Yeah.
Y'all, at this point, I'm just over it. I'm trying to get everything in the kitchen and just stick it in my hair because, yeah, I'm just, it's about that time. Like, why nobody told me I couldn't fill up that blender the way that I filled it up? Well, maybe because I ain't asked nobody, but anyways. So just grab everything out your fridge and just put it in your hair. You'll be fine.
It already got lemon in it. I ain't even gonna squeeze no lemon. Waste my time. I ain't got no time for it.
So I gotta use some more of my milk. The rest of my CMOS can't even drink it no more. There goes that. And let this bit pop one more time so we can see what's gonna happen. Cause I'm a snap then. What did I use? The oils will lather this down. How about that? So I'm just gonna eyeball this because I really don't have time for this BS. I'm gonna heat this up because I'm trying to make a hot little mask at least.
See if this wants to explode again. Hey, that's what I forgot. Oh, I ain't putting no yogurt in it. On that clumsy girl. Just a little bit. That's it. This shit is watery as H. It's gonna be dripping. Oh my god. That's gonna be dripping all over me. Like, no. Maybe if I put another egg? I don't know. Let's take some out. Maybe another banana and another egg. Let's take some more out, cause with the fruits. Oh, you can drop them. Help me clean that mess up. She would have been real mad if I left something sticky. Let's see how this goes.
For a week. Y'all, I'm not even gonna put the process to putting this baby on. None of that. I am gonna come back once I apply this and stuff and tell y'all if it worked. Because I know I got all the good stuff in it. I'm glad I still had some more sea moss left. I was gonna use the whole batch in the first one. I'm glad I didn't, because I don't say my hair smells like straight bananas. But this glow though, you can't get that from the store. You gotta get that from a blending machine, popping, making. Look at that though. Update on the banana mask. Listen, ladies, when I say my hair is so soft today, it wasn't even this soft when I dried it yesterday. And had it, she's sitting here trying to be, girl, you can't be in the video. You gotta wait. You got enough time for social media.